Hello everybody, today me and my cousin are gonna be fidget trading. Okay. And we're gonna be doing that if we think it's a scam. Okay. I'm gonna add first. I'm gonna add this dirty whale. Trust me, it's a really good deal.
Okay,
Hey! No touches only.
No, it's me.
Oh my god,
I got that stupid bag. I will put... I'll put this.
That's a rip-off. Look how small that is.
Fine.
Get the... I'm not adding that anymore. I'm gonna add my
The chocolate bar.
No, this is a homemade squishy.
No, that
and you have
chocolate.
to show it up here too.
Okay, I will be trading my puppet. This is the puppet,
Okay,
this giant puppet.
I think that's a deal.
I accept.
Yeah.
This homemade squishy is actually really good.
Hey, Evie.
But I do think if I open
Evie.
it,
No, don't do that. Evie.
oh!
Yeah. I'm gonna add this tiny rip-off little puppet.
A pipette.
Okay, are you gonna add? I'm taking that away. You know what? You can
I
add-
get to go first.
No. Monkey noodle. Monkey noodle.
No, please stop. I will put this and this.
Guys,
But I'm putting.
Guys, do you reckon I should do it? To be honest, I think I'm gonna do it for a monkey noodle. I think I'm gonna scam her. Yes.
I want you to
and this
add-
is really rare
No,
too.
I want you to add. Oh, okay. It's
Okay.
accept. This isn't even a good fidget. I just got scared.
There's a new person over there. Hello, do you want a fidget trade?
Yeah, sure. I would like to.
Okay, I'm gonna add this black bowl. It's really rare. It's actually a common, guys. I'm gonna scam her. It's a black bowl, and yeah,
Oh, okay.
it's really good. I want you to add.
Bowl for bowl. And I will have this too. Just because that looks really good.
That looks really familiar, but okay, I'll do that.
Yay. Haha, I just scammed it.
If you're going to do it. Oh, there's a new person over there.
Hey, bro, what's up?
I'm gonna add the puppet.
This ladybug.
I think I should hold this.
Puppy attack!
Oh! That hurt.
Good. I have barely any fidgets, so
Whoa.
I'm gonna put this.
Quickly add.
Can you please add? I need more fidgets.
Guys, this. Hey, stop. Hey, turn it off. Guys, I think he's trying to scam me. I'm just gonna add this. It's really rare. Turn it off. Guys, I'm gonna say this is really rare. Yeah, this is a limited time fidget. Like, it's really rare. So I think you should actually add for this because and this sparky bowl, it's really, really rare. It's actually common, guys.
I'll add. Actually, I have nothing. Wait. What do I get?
Add, please.
I have nothing. I'm declining this trade.
Oh,
Ah!
get away from me and my fidgets.
What?
Hello, do you want to trade?
Yeah, sure.
The girl that I was with last time was a bud. Here. Okay,
I have to just go get something.
okay. I'm gonna add this really, really limited rare squishy.
Is it a narwhal?
Yeah,
I
it's
like
another one.
narwhals. Okay.
Guys, it's built off its face, so I'm just gonna say that's really rare.
I have this. But can you please add?
Rip off, but I guess I'll add this really limited rare. So you're gonna have to add if you want that.
This is a good homemade squishy.
Actually, it used to be mine, and that girl traded it for me. So
Oh,
quickly
Sarah.
go! You scanned.
Yeah.
You might want to add that Nido.
Huh?
The Nido! Give me that Nido.
Why? No.
Hey.
I'm declining
Hey.
again.
Get away then!
I need some fidget.
Why is no one want this now? She's a rip-off. Okay, guys, I reckon I'm going to do one more trade today. Hello, but this time I'm not going to scam. Hello, what do you want to trade me today? I'm going to add this, it does that. Here, I'll put that on there, and I'll also add this, rainbow puppet. It's not much of a rainbow, and do I add my big capybara? No, I don't reckon I will.
Okay, I'm gonna add my ice cream and this big green squishy.
I think that's a scam for you, so I reckon I'm gonna do that. Accept?
I accept.
Okay. Guys, she got me this thing. Yeah. It just does that.
I really want my ice cream back. Excuse me, I want my ice cream back.
Sorry, I don't do trade backs.
Wait, what? Oh, dang it.
Okay. Oh, and we also, and guys, we also have a report squishy thing over there. So. Hey, you gonna try me?
Sure. Sure, yeah. I'll put this black squishy.
Okay. I reckon I'm gonna put this really rare ice cream in.
Okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna scan it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go scan him. I have this, and it's actually a limited edition.
What was I gonna add again? Okay, I think I'm gonna add this now. Well, is that a good trade?
I need you to add, because this is limited. This is limited.
Okay.
What's this?
Oh, well, this is the really only thing I can do, but
Give me that ice cream, and I'll accept.
I guess I'll add this, the ice cream. Okay, it took me so long to get this, though. Do I do it, guys?
Okay, I accept.
Okay.
I will never lie. He just got scammed. Haha, he just got scammed, everyone.
Bro, I just got scammed. This is like fake, bro. What is this? That's fake. Oh, here's a sign. Do you wanna report this trade? Yes.
I've been skipped. Dang it, I got